Welcome to part 2 of the 2026 CSCS mock test. Let's get started. Question 1. As a worker, you do not have a legal duty to A. Use all equipment safely and as instructed. B. Write your own risk assessments. C. Speak to your supervisor if you're worried about safety on site. D. Report any equipment that is damaged or defective. The correct answer is B. Write your own risk assessments. Question 2. A risk assessment identifies A. How to report accidents. B. The site working hours. C. The hazards and the safe way of doing the job. D. Where the first aid box is kept. The correct answer is C. The hazards and the safe way of doing the job. Question 3. A permit to work allows A. The emergency services to come onto the site after an accident. B. Certain jobs to be carried out safely under controlled conditions. C. Health and safety executive inspectors to visit the site. D. Untrained people to work without supervision. The correct answer is B. Certain jobs to be carried out safely under controlled conditions. Question 4. How would you expect to find out about site health and safety rules when you first arrive on site? A. During site induction. B. In a letter sent to your home. C. By reading your employer's health and safety policy. D. By asking others on the site. The correct answer is A. During site induction. Question 5. You can help prevent accidents by A. Reporting unsafe working conditions. B. Becoming a first aider. C. Knowing where the first aid kit is kept. D. Knowing how to get help quickly. The correct answer is A. Reporting unsafe working conditions. Question 6. What is the main reason for attending a site induction? A. You will get to know other new starters. B. Risk assessments will be handed out. C. Site health and safety rules and site hazards will be explained. D. Permits to work will be handed out. The correct answer is C. Site health and safety rules and site hazards will be explained. Question 7. In an emergency you should A. Leave site. B. Phone home. C. Follow the site emergency procedure. D. Phone the health and safety executive. The correct answer is C. Follow the site emergency procedure. Question 8. In an emergency, an assembly point is D. A. Site manager's office. B. Place of the incident or accident. C. Welfare facilities. D. Specified place to gather after an evacuation. The correct answer is D. Specified place to gather after an evacuation. Question 9. If someone is injured at work, who should record it in the accident book? A. The site manager and no one else. B. The injured person or someone acting for them. C. The first aider and no one else. D. Someone from the health and safety executive. The correct answer is B. The injured person or someone acting for them. Question 10. Which type of accidents should be recorded in the accident book? A. Only major injuries such as a broken arm or death of a person. B. Only injuries requiring hospital treatment. C. All accidents causing any injury. D. Only accidents where the injured person has to stop work. The correct answer is C. All accidents causing any injury. Question 11. You notice a co-worker removing a guard from a power tool to make the job quicker. What should you do first? A. Ignore it because it is not your responsibility. B. Tell them to stop and report it to a supervisor or site manager. C. Finish your own work and mention it at the end of the day. D. Remove the guard from your own tools so everyone works the same way. The correct answer is B. Tell them to stop and report it to a supervisor or site manager. Question 12. Before starting work on a mobile tower scaffold, what is the most important check you should carry out? A. That it has been inspected and is stable on firm, level ground. B. That it is positioned as close as possible to the edge of the work area. C. That the wheels can move freely during use. D. That tools are stored on the platform before climbing? The correct answer is A. That it has been inspected and is stable on firm, level ground. Question 13. Which two of the following items are not recorded in an accident book? A. Your national insurance number. B. Your telephone number. C. The date and time of the accident. D. The injury sustained. The correct answers are A. Your national insurance number and B. Your telephone number. Question 14. Look at the image on screen. What does this sign mean? A. Smoking allowed during breaks. B. Smoking is discouraged. C. Smoking prohibited. D. Smoking allowed with permission. The correct answer is C. Smoking prohibited. Question 15. Why is it important to report all accidents? A. It might stop them happening again. B. Some types of accident have to be reported to the health and safety executive. C. Details have to be entered in the accident book. D. All of these answers. The correct answer is D. All of these answers. Question 16. If you have a minor accident, who should report it? A. Anyone who saw the accident happen. B. A subcontractor. C. You. D. The health and safety executive. The correct answer is C. You. Question 17. While working on site, you get a small cut on one of your fingers. What should you do? A. Report it at the end of the day or the end of the shift. B. Wash it and if it is not a problem, carry on working. C. Clean it up and tell your supervisor about it later. D. Report it and get first aid if necessary. The correct answer is D. Report it and get first aid if necessary. Question 18. You have witnessed a serious accident on your site. Should you A. Say nothing to anyone in case you get someone into trouble? B. Ask your workmates what they think you should do? C. Telephone the local hospital? D. Tell your supervisor that you saw what happened? The correct answer is D. Tell your supervisor that you saw what happened. Question 19. You will find out about emergency assembly points from A. A risk assessment. B. A method statement. C. The site induction. D. The permit to work. The correct answer is C. The site induction. Question 20. How should you be informed about what to do in an emergency? A. From the site induction. B. Look in the health and safety file. C. Ask the health and safety executive. D. From the site notice boards. The correct answers are A. From the site induction and D. From the site notice boards. Question 21. The first aid box on site is always empty. What should you do? A. Bring your own first aid supplies into work. B. Find out who is taking all the first aid supplies. C. Find out who looks after the first aid box and let them know. D. Ignore the problem, it is always the same. The correct answer is C. Find out who looks after the first aid box and let them know. Question 22. Does your employer have to provide a first aid box? A. Yes, every site must have one. B. Only if more than 50 people work on site. C. Only if more than 25 people work on site. D. No, there is no legal duty to provide one. The correct answer is A. Yes, every site must have one. Question 23. If you want to be a first aider, you should A. Watch a first aider treating people, then try it yourself. B. Ask if you can do a first aiders course. C. Buy a book on first aid and start treating people. D. Speak to your doctor about it. The correct answer is B. Ask if you can do a first aiders course. Question 24. If someone falls and is knocked unconscious, you should first A. Turn them over so they are lying on their back. B. Send for medical help. C. Slap their face to wake them up. D. Give mouth-to-mouth resuscitation. The correct answer is B. Send for medical help. Question 25. What does this sign mean? A. Safety glasses cleaning station. B. Emergency eye wash station. C. Warning, risk of splashing. D. Wear eye protection. The correct answer is B. Emergency eye wash station. Thanks for watching. If you need your Level 1 Health and Safety in a Construction Environment qualification to apply for your CSCS Green Card, visit our website to get started. Our course is completed online and includes the exam in the price, so you can qualify without any unexpected extra costs.